Today I must explain to you what is zone refining process. This is a method to purify a metal which has already been extracted. Now the metal has been extracted already, but we have a doubt that it might have some impurities. So this method is especially used to purify silicon, germanium, gallium, etc. You all have heard of the word Silicon Valley. So silicon is of prime importance these days because it is of huge importance in hardware, software. The entire online mechanism is working somewhere down the line through silicon. So this is a silicon rod, a metal rod, for example, of silicon, gallium, germanium. This is noble gas present in it. These are induction coil heaters, means these are mobile heaters. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use this mobile heater at one end. Then this part of the metal rod would undergo heating very fast. The impurities would turn into the melt. They would melt first and the impurities would go to this end and the pure metal would be left behind. So we would move the rollers from the upper and lower end of this tube to the right side. Now this part would probably get affected, then this part, then this part. So we are going to heat this entire metal rod in zones. So this part is refined first of all. The impurities have gone to this end. Then the second zone, third zone, fourth zone, fifth zone, sixth zone, and maybe this part of the metal rod has now turned into a impurity zone. So this part would be cut out. The rollers would be removed and would be brought back to this stage once more. Again this process would be repeated. This can be done n number of times depending upon the impurity content in the rod. This is how silicon would get easily purified and refined. So this is a method to refine the metals already extracted.